So this morning I came home and I found that Christopher Riley is making something unusual. What would you call this?
This is a London particular.
And what does that mean?
I'm not quite sure.
Okay, so what's in this?
This is onion, carrot, celery, and some smoked streaky bacon.
Oh, can regular bacon be used?
It should be smoked, I think, to give it flavour.
And what if I don't want no bacon?
I think you could probably make it. It probably wouldn't be quite as tasty, but I think it would still work.
Yeah, it smells lovely. And what kind of bacon did you? Where'd you get that bacon from?
It's from Dalesford Organic Farm.
Oh, where's that?
I have no idea.
Oh, right. And can you get that at any old shop, or do you have to? Especially in these hard times, how can someone?
Well, this wasn't a carday shop. But...
Oh, that sounds nice. You must have a star pass, a smart pass, or something. So say that again. That's carrots.
Carrot, celery, onion, and smoked streaky bacon.
And so you're reducing that for how long?
And I'm just sauteing this for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, people. And then what's happening over here? Because this smells like, oh my God, it's going to steam up the camera.
We have yellow split pea.
Okay, that gives a nice gloss on your
which
face.
I'm simmering for 30 minutes in stock.
Split peas, where do you get those?
Anywhere.
Oh, all right. Well, I'll look out for them then. Are they the dried kind, or are they the...
The dried.
Oh, right. Did you have to, like, soak them, or you just chuck them in?
You just chuck them in.
And is stock in there as well, or what is that?
Stock.
Oh, okay. Go back here, because I quite like looking at that. And then what are you going to do afterwards?
So the split peas are for 30 minutes, and then you bring them both together and you simmer them for another 40 minutes.
Simmer? Oh, together?
Together.
All right, and then what do you do?
And then when it's cooled down a little...
A little? Just a tad.
You then just blitz it in the food processor.
And when are we eating this?
And that's for tomorrow's lunch.
We can't eat that tonight?
No. Soup for dinner.
Oh, yeah, we got rules in this ass. And would you recommend that, the London particular?
It's one of my favourites.
It's thick though, isn't it? Yeah.
It's very thick. I wonder if London particular comes from when we used to have the sort of heavy smog.
Oh, so it's thick. It's a right pea souper.
A pea souper.
Right pea souper. That's
Right,
my bad.
pea souper.
That's a genuine Londoner.
Family.
All right, so maybe if you're lucky, you'll get another update, because that's Chris cooks it. Yeah, is that a brand we can use? No.